Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send voice message on iPhone. So first of all, launch iMessage on your iPhone device. Okay, here we go. Now tap open any conversation you wish to. So at the bottom right corner, you will be able to see a microphone icon. However, that is not the option that you would have to choose in order to record a voice message. That is the feature of voice to text message, which means that if you tap on that microphone option and then speak on your microphone, then your voice will be converted to text. So in order to record a voice message, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, here we go. Now select the option of audio here. Now all you have to do is talk on your microphone and then your audio message will be recorded. Now in order to stop recording, tap on the stop button at the bottom right. And if you wish to add additional message, you can tap on this plus button with the voice message time and then continue recording again. So now let's stop recording again. And if you tap on this upward arrow button in green, you would be able to send your audio message on iPhone. So this is it for today. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.